Hello guys, in this video I just want to tell you how to install Java in the system. So for that, let us see first the Java is installed in the system or not. So go to Windows, Windows plus R to go to Run and enter CMD here to go to the command prompt, enter and click on enter, and now enter Java C and press enter. See here, the Java is not recognized. This means the Java is not uninstalled in the system. So let us install it, guys. So let us go to the Google Chrome and I will install Java 8 download. So I will download the Java 8 download. So yeah, see here, you can see here the Java is done by the Oracle. So you can see here Java Development Kit 8. So you can click on that thing. See, it is taking you to the official website of Oracle. So Oracle.com, as before it was an old website, now it is changed, guys. So you can download directly from it. So here it is, the new version, new website. So you can, it shows all the OS which you can download for the different versions. So this is Linux 8, RPM package, Linux version, Linux OS, and all that. Solaris and Windows. See here the Windows versions which we will be getting here. So Windows 8.32 version you can download from by clicking on this link, and 64-bit you can download by clicking on this link. So don't click on this thing, Java SE development demos and sample downloads. It's just sample downloads and demos only. You should go to this Java SE development kit 8 and then click on which the Windows you are using, it 32-bit or 64. Just click on this. It will ask for just click on the checkbox and click on download. It will ask for sign in or sign up. So just sign up uh, for sign up and sign in again. Just it will download in the Oracle. That's it, guys. So you can just click on create account. You create an account and sign up. So that's it. So it will automatically download it. As you can see here, it is getting download. So once it's downloaded, just install it in the system. So I will show you how to install it also. So here it is, like you can download only one file. So it will contain JDK and JRE. So before it was JDK separate and JRE separate. So for now you cannot, like you can download only one file and it contains JDK and JRE. What is JDK and JRE? So JDK is Java Development Kit and JRE is Java Runtime Environment. To run Java applications, you should use the JRE is required, and JDK to develop Java applications you should use JDK. So JDK and JRE is required for to run to develop the Java applications. So yeah, guys. So Java is downloaded. So just click on that thing, the downloaded file. So as you can see here, the Java is getting successfully installed. So you can close this message and you can go to the command prompt, same by using to run, go to run Windows plus R plus CMD, enter, click on enter, and just enter Java C. See, the Java is installed here, but in some cases you will get the same error. Like the Java should you should give a path to the path. So how to give the path?